Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open the Tesla Cybertruck door. To begin, approach the vehicle and locate the small, flush button on the B-pillar, which is the vertical support between the front and rear doors. This button is designed to be discreet, blending seamlessly with the Cybertruck's minimalist aesthetic. A gentle press will activate the door mechanism, allowing you to proceed to the next step for entry. Once you press the B-pillar button, the front door will unlatch and pop out a few millimeters. This creates a small, accessible gap. Simply grasp the edge of the door that has popped out and pull it open. It's a smooth, two-step process that feels intuitive once you've done it a couple of times. No traditional handle is needed, just a firm pull. Opening the rear doors follows the exact same principle as the front. Locate the B-pillar button, give it a gentle press, and the rear door will unlatch and present a small gap. Then, simply pull the edge of the door to swing it open. This consistent design ensures a straightforward experience for all passengers, making entry and exit effortless from any position. To summarize, the key to easily opening your Cybertruck door is to remember the two-step process. First, press the B-pillar button and then pull the door's edge. This method applies consistently to all four doors, ensuring a uniform and modern user experience for everyone. With just a little practice, you'll find it incredibly simple and efficient to access your vehicle. Enjoy your Cybertruck.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.